Okay. Good morning everyone. আমি ক্লাস 9 or number system chapter to কৰি আছিলো তাৰে আমি question number 3 1 লৈকে কৰিছিলো last 2 2 3 2 3 টো তোমালোকক হোমৱৰ্ক দিছিলো question number 2 টো মই ইয়াত লিখি লৈছো এতিয়া বুজাই দিম সবে চাবা the question is 0.47 bar you have to express 0.47 bar in p by q form that means in rational form we have to express this. So I am writing let x equal to 0.47 bar. Ami 0.47 bar to x boli dhori loisu. This can be written as x equal to 0.4777 dot dot dot. Why I am writing 7 again and again because the bar is upon number 7 and this digit is repeating. That is why I have written x equal to 0.477777 dot dot dot. Okay. Next step is multiply both sides. That means from this expression, multiply both sides by 10. Both sides of you 10 multiply kar diya. Equal 10 multiply kara. Total kiman hobo x equal to 10x. This will be 4.777 dot dot dot. Tumaloke decimal or multiplication class 8 te hikisa. Okay. Next step, multiply both sides by 100. 100 re multiply korisu. Korona lage ki ise to 100x and this will be 47.777 dot dot dot. Apo repeat korisu. First step or 10 re multiply korisu. Etu equation loisu equation number 1. Next step or apo moi 100 re multiply korisu and I got this equation. Fine. Now subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. Equation number 1 or para 2 para equation number 1 to moi ki korisu subtract korisu. Korana like ki ase 100x minus 10x. This minus this and this minus this. Minus kori dilu. Korana like equation this. Now 100 minus 10 is equal to 90x. And this minus this equal to 47 minus 4 and it is 43. Now we need the value of x because I have taken 4.7 bar as x. Ami x or value to ulale hai 0.47 bar or p by q form paisa. So from here if I keep the x in the left hand side this will be 43 by 90. This is the p by q form of 0.47 bar. বুজি পাইছা নে তোমালোকে ভিডিওটো পজ কৰি পেলাই এইখিনি লিখি লব পাৰা লিখা ওকে সো নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার 8 আমি এক্সারসাইজ 1.3 ৰ পৰা কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার 8 টো কৰিম find irrational number find 3 irrational number between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 these two are two rational number so you have to find 3 irrational number between these two rational number tare karone technique to ki hoy first you have to find the decimal expansion for the rational number ami jiduta rational number dia ase tar decimal expansion to ulai lam soa 5 by 7 that means 0.7142 dot 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 kiba kibi ulai dibo next this is 9 by 11 this will be 0.8181 dot 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 tumaloke etu division kori palai nije ulai laba pariba so I have written the decimal expansion for 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 okay next step how to find irrational number between two rational number তোমালোকে অলরেডি এটা বস্তু মই ডিসকাস কৰিছো irrational number decimal expansion are non terminating and non repeating মানে ৰিপিটো নহয় টাৰ্মিনেটো নহয় that means খতম হৈ না যায় লগতে কি থাকে এটা সেম প্যাটাৰ্নত ওলাই না থাকে জিটি ওলাই দিব মানে so our range is 71 to 81 the number should be between 0.71 and 0.81 এই দুটাৰ মাজত থাকিব সোৱা because we have to find between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 So I have written 0.72 01 001 0001 ইয়াতে 01 লিখি তুমি 0205 জি টি লিখিব পাৰা but the number should be non terminating and random not repeating মানে তোমাৰ এটা টার্মত same pattern just like this one এনেকে 818181 এইটো স্টাইলত ৰিপিট হ'ব নোৱাৰে 0.720100100001 why I have written 0.72 because the number is starting from 0.71 and ended at 0.81 and 0.72 is between 0.71 and 0.81 next number is 0.73073 you can write any digit but the digit should be non terminating and non repeating manner hobo lagibo ঠিক আছে ইয়াতে মই 0.774 02002 0.74 লিখি তুমি 7506 জিটি লিখিব পাৰা but it should not cross 0.81 মানে up to 0.80 লৈকে তুমি লিখিব পাৰিবা but 0.81 নহয় লগতে 0.71 তো লিখিব নোৱাৰা you have to write the irrational number between 0.71 and 0.81 in a non terminating non repeating manner then only you can find your irrational number between two rational number you can pause the video and write it down okay so next question number 9 তোমালোকে বৰ্ডক মই গুটেখিনি সলভ কৰি দিছো এতিয়া এক্সপ্লেইন কৰি দি হালকে এটা চাই দিবা the question is asking whether the following decimal expansion or the numbers are rational or irrational you have to classify the numbers given in the following as rational and irrational already I have discussed how to find rational or irrational number how to identify them see root 23 is irrational why because root 23 is a non perfect square number remember always that non perfect square numbers are always irrational number so this is irrational moving to the next question which is root 225 all of you already know root 225 is a perfect square number and square root of root 225 is 15 can be written as 15 by 1 all of you know we have a denominator 1 in each of the whole number as denominator so 15 can be written as 15 by 1 and this is in p by q form that is why root 225 is a rational number now third question 0.3796 see this is a decimal expansion for a number but you can see that this decimal expansion is terminating here dash dot naiba dot diya nahi that means this is a terminating decimal expansion if you convert this it becomes like p by q form 3796 to tumi ki likhibo para 3796 divided by 10000 likhi dile ki hoye jabo this will be a p by q form that means this is a rational number you have to remember if the decimal expansion of any fraction or any number is terminating then it can be considered as a rational number fine next question which is 7.478478 ... Here the decimal expansion is not terminating it is repeating again and again etu tomar khatam hoy tumi 478 bare fight diba but already we have learned though the decimal expansion is non terminating but if they are repeating manner then it can be considered as rational number monot thakibone nai jodi decimal expansion tu tomar non terminating hoy ulai thake but if they are jodi hibu tomar repeating manner thake etu ki hobo rational number hobo aru non repeating manner jodi thake last question tu dore eta ki hobo irrational number তোমালোকে ভিডিওটো পজ কৰি आंसर খিনি লিখি লব পাৰা ওকে So next exercise number 1.5. 1.4 to বেছি ইম্পর্টেন্ট নহয় এক্সামৰ কাৰণে এবাৰ exercise number 1.5. 1.5 টো আমি এইখিনি লিখি দিছো তোমালোকে লিখি লব পাৰা sum of rational and irrational number is always irrational. এটা rational number আৰু এটা irrational number যদি তুমি addition কৰি দিয়া plus কৰি দিয়া the result will be a irrational number. Second is difference also follow the same. That means to be likhibo para if 2 plus root 2 is irrational, 2 minus root 2 is also irrational. 2 is a rational number, root 2 is a irrational number, their addition is irrational number. 2 is a rational number, root 2 is a irrational number, their difference is also irrational. This rule also satisfies for product and division. তোমালোকে এটি লিখি লব পাৰা ওকে ভিডিওটো পজ কৰি লিখি লোৱা আমি দুটামান সাম কৰো 1.5 ৰ পৰা 1.5 ৰ পৰা দুটামান সাম কৰো তোমালোকে পাৰিবাই নিজে নিজে কৰিব এতিয়া বিকজ ৰুলখিনি লিখা দিম ন তো ফাৰ্স্ট কোৱেশ্চনটো চোৱা কি দিয়া আছে Classify the following as rational and irrational. First question is 2 minus root 5. See, just like the previous example, 2 is a rational number, root 5 is a irrational number. Why? Root 5 is non-perfect square number. So non-perfect square number on lower, I mean root over diya thakile ki hobo? Eto ta irrational number hobo. So 2 is rational, root 5 is irrational. Their difference is always kiman hobo irrational so tomaloke kori loba moi question number baki eta 2 3 4 nije koriba 5 to swa 2 pi all of you know pi is a irrational number so product with a irrational number that means if we multiply a rational number which is 2 with a irrational number which is pi. Value of pi is 22/7. Decimal expansion of 22/7 is non-terminating and non-repeating. That is why pi is considered as irrational number. So product of a rational number and irrational number is always irrational. So 2 3 4 নিজে নিজে কৰিবা Question number 2 to leke ami move koru. Next question number 2 to ki dia ase simplify the following expression. Tolot kisuman expression dia ase tumi simplify koribo lage. Pause kori likhi loba para. Question number 2 ki dia ase so question number 2 simplify kori koriba. First question is 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. Okay. Before simplification, let me multiply this. Multiply this 3 into 2 plus root 2. तुम्हारे already class 8 में दिखा है तो root 3 into 2 plus root 2. So 3 to the 6 3 into root 2 बोटे 6 लिखी दिया है बा root 6 बोले लिखी दिया है see 3 और root 2 multiply कर दिले 3 to भीतर घुमाई ना जाए बा 2 to बाहर तो लगा है it is a different वस्तु है so you have to write 3 root 2 now this into this 2 root 3 this into this see this should be remembered see these two are inside root over root 3 and root 2. If two numbers are inside root over, then you can together multiply them like this and get the final answer as root 6. Fine. Now you cannot make them one number because 6 is a different number. This is different. This is different. This is also different number. And overall, this is a irrational number. Why? This is non-perfect square number. It is multiplied with a rational number. So final becomes a irrational number. again this is a irrational number and this is also a irrational number. So already we have discussed that sum of or addition of rational plus irrational is irrational. So question number 1 to amar hoi gol. Mar question number 4 to kori dim, 2 और 3 to homework koriba. Okay, roba তোমালোকে ভিডিওটো পজ কৰি লিখি লবা দে, যদি লিখি লব খুজিছা। question number 2 4 to কৰি এতিয়া ইয়াত কি দিয়া আছে √5 minus √2 into √5 plus √2 ইয়াতে দেখাত কিন্তু সব √, আছে কিন্তু এটো কনভার্ট হৈ যাব চাবা। তোমালোকে এটা ফর্মুলা মনত পৰে নাই a plus b whole into a minus b এলজেব্রাত যে পাইছিল লাগিছিল a square minus b square আছে। Carefully check this expression. This is our a, this is b, this is a, this is b. In place of a we have √5, in place of b we have √2. So this expression is similar with this expression, that means a minus b, a plus b. That means this will follow this formula. This becomes a square minus b square. Already you know, if we put square root and square together on a number, square and root cancel each other, so it will be only 5. Ako repeat korisu samare, jodi eta number tumi enake square root dia ar tak square kori dia, a square to ar root over ki hoy jabo, they will cancel each other. That means it will be only 5, it will be only 2, and answer is 3. And 3 is a what? 3 can be written as 3 by 1. It is rational. মানে নহয় এটো rational বনি যাব। rational বনি কথা নাই বাৰু, তোমাক জাস্ট সিম্পলিফাই কৰি কৰিছে, মই কৈ দিলো জাস্ট কথাটো। বাকি কেটা তোমালোকে নিজে কৰিব পাৰিবা। question number 3 to মই আৰু দি দিম, question number 3 to মই পিছত কৰি দিম, পাই কথা দিয়া হৈছে। এবাৰ এটা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট বস্তু আমি কৰিম, এটো এক্সামত প্ৰায় হতে how to represent √9.3 on number line. আমি number line ত √9.3 বা √8.7 how to represent any decimal number square root on number line. যিকোনো এটা decimal number ৰ square root আমি number line ত কেনেকৈ represent কৰিব পাৰো এটো মই তোমালোকক দেখাই আছো চাবা। এটো তোমালোকে কৰাৰ কাৰণে জ্যামিতি বক্সটো ওলাই লব পাৰা। জ্যামিতি বক্স লাগিব, স্কেল লাগিব, সেট স্কয়ার লাগিব আৰু কম্পাস লাগিব। তো স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ মই কৈ দিছো, তোমালোকে কেয়াৰফুলি কৰিবা, এটা বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট। ঠিক কৰি লব পৰা question number 4। question number 4 asking that represent √9.3 on number line. number line of √9.3 আমি কেনেকৈ ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিব পাৰো। তোমাৰ মনত কোৱেশ্চন হ'ব পাৰে স্যাৰ সদায় √9.3 এ আহিব নেকি, বেলেগ নাম্বাৰ নাথাকে নেকি? বেলেগ নাম্বাৰো থাকিব পাৰে, 8.7 হ'ব পাৰে বা 10.1 হ'ব পাৰে, it can be any number, but how to represent this? Okay, first step, draw a line. solution to লিখি দিছো বাৰু মই, মন দি শুনিবা দে সবে। draw a line which is মোৰ লগত কম্পাস নাই, মই দেখাই দিম, তোমালোকে বুজি যাবা। draw a line with measurement 9.3 আছে ন, 9.3 সেন্টিমিটার তুমি এটা লাইন সেগমেন্ট বনাই লোৱা। ফাইন, name it as A and B. Step number 1. Step number 2, extend this line up to 1 centimeter and name as point C. আমি 1 centimeter কি কৰি দিম, extend কৰি দিম, extend AB by 1 centimeter and give the name of the point as C. তোমালোকে বেলেগ ভেৰিয়েবল দিব পাৰা, ABC মুখত আহে বাৰু। step number 1 হ'ল, step number 2 হ'ল, step number 3, AB was actually 9.3. After adding 1 centimeter, AC becomes 9.3 plus 1, it becomes 10.3. Right? Now draw perpendicular bisector to get the midpoint of AC line tool AC line segment to me midpoint to ulabo lage identify koribo lage how to find this by drawing perpendicular bisector tumaloke compass like more than keep the compass here take a radius of more than half of AC and draw one এটি তোমালোকে সবে জানা geometry class 8 তে শিকিছা মই just simply call যে draw the perpendicular bisector of AC okay I draw the perpendicular bisector get the midpoint this is the midpoint name it as D this point is D now you can erase the line এতিয়া তোমালোকে তলৰ লাইনখিনি মুছি দিব পাৰা কারণ আমি midpoint টো পাই গলো okay after finding the midpoint of AC take this midpoint as center and a radius which is equal to DC or DA তোমালোকে এটা কথা মন কৰা যে AC লাইন ডালৰ midpoint D is the midpoint of AC so distance from A to D and C to D both will be equal if you consider D as center and AB or DC as radius then you can draw a semicircle from this point that means I need to say take D as center and a radius which is equal to DA or DC and draw a semicircle কি করব মই মোৰ হাতত কম্পাস নাই মই জাস্ট বুজাই দিছো D point center লবা তাতে প্লেসিং কৰি পেলাই ইমানখিনি ৰেডিয়াস লবা ইফালে ললেও হ'ব ইফালে ললেও হ'ব and draw a semicircle fine বনালা এটা step number 4 তোমালোকৰ geometry boxত কি আছে set square আছে set square to তোমালোকে উলাই লোৱা place the set square in the point B a point B to set square পা এনেকে পাতি লোৱা পাতি লৈ পেলাই কি হ'ব this will be a perpendicular from B মোৰ উদ্দেশ্যটো কি আছিল my motive was to draw a perpendicular on point B এটা কি বনাবা perpendicular আমি কেনেকে ডাইরেক্ট বনাব পাৰো by using set square and this perpendicular will cut this semicircle at point E a perpendicular to a semicircle to point E intersect kori dibo hoise okay final step extend this line okay now take B as center take point B as center and radius equal to B take B as center and BE as radius draw a arc banai diya lagle ki bol it will cut at point F B pora center loi BE radius loi ta arc banai dilu this will cut at point F so now our this BF is equal to root over 9.3 गुटे स्टेप तो मैं एक बार कोई दिसु मन di balai kuniba first step draw a line segment which is equal to 9.3 step number 1 step number 2 extend the line by 1 cm step number 2 complete step number 3 get the midpoint of AC step number 3 complete take D as center and AB as radius and draw a semicircle upon AC step number 1 next put the set square on point B and draw a perpendicular this perpendicular will cut at point E now final step is take B as center and BE as radius and draw an arc before drawing the arc you have to extend the line okay like that dihol ke banale bhal so ki hobo this arc will cut at point F now from B to F this line will be our root over 9.3 তোমালোকৰ মনত কোৱেশ্চন হ'ব পাৰে যে root over 9.3 টো কেনেকে হ'ল কেনেকে পসিবল হ'ল এই বস্তুটো মই তোমালোকক দেখাই দিম প্ৰথমতে এইখিনি তোমালোকে লিখিব পাৰা যে বস্তুটো হ'ল কেনেকে ড্ৰয়িং কৰিব লাগে স্টেপ কেইটা মই কৈ দিছো ভিডিওটো পজ কৰি তোমালোকে লিখি ল'ব পাৰা ঠিক আছে আৰু তোমালোকে এজ এ হোমৱৰ্ক root over 8.1 root over 5.6 এই দুটা নাম্বার আমি ড্র কৰি মোক দেখাবাছো মই চেক কৰি দিম প্ৰসিডিউৰ উইল বি সেম খালি 8.1 লব লাগিব 5.6 হলে 5.6 লব লাগিব বাকিখিনি সব সেম তোমালোকে লিখি লোৱা এইটো ভিডিওটো পজ কৰি সো তোমালোকৰ লিখা হৈছে থাকে এতিয়া আমাৰ যে এইটো 9.3 হল ডি এফ এইটো কেনে কেনে মই দেখাই আছো চাবা ফাৰ্স্ট AB was 9.3 এর পরা B লগে 9.3 আছিল AC was 10.3 because 9.3 plus 1 10.3 midpoint of AC is D হলে আমাৰ কিমান হ'ব AB আৰু AD and BC AB will be equal to BC they will be half of this that is 10.3 divided by 2 5.15 সেন্টিমিটার লিখি লও মই লিখালে সেন্টিমিটার লিখি দিয়া so if we consider this right angle triangle আমি যদি এইটো right angle triangle লৈ লও এতিয়া আমাৰ DB দাল লাগিব what is the length of DB already we know that DC is 5.15 এর পর আছে লগে 5.15 if you eliminate this part was 1 cm if we subtract this part this DB will be our 4.15 centimeter and again this DE was a radius of the semicircle DE is a radius of the semicircle আৰু আমি radius to কিমান বুলি গম পাম already we have drawn the semicircle taking radius of AD and AD was 5.15 AD BC DE গুটেকেটা কি হ'ব radius of the semicircle so this DE will be 5.15 centimeter so I am drawing this right angle triangle separately on the board this was missing this is perpendicular and base is our DB which is 4.15 and DE was our 5.15 use Pythagoras theorem p square plus b square equal to h square that means p was missing so to get the p we have to find root over h square minus b square okay h is our hypotenuse that is 5.15 let me write so this 5.15 whole square minus and base was how much this was 4.15 whole square it took 5 then okay now this is in the form in a square minus b square so this will be a plus b whole into a minus b 15 okay if you add both of them this will be 5 plus 4 9.3 and this will be into 1 so final result is our 9.3 so d amar jetu value asil d value kiman palo 9.3 palo aru eitu procedure follow kori tomaloke any number any decimal number or square root to tumi number line represent koribo pariba fine etu tomaloke koriba bahut beshi important exam er karone baki question number 4 or question number 5 ahibo ebur ami kali discussion korim question number 5 er apply ase kori diu niki kori dibo pari beshi dikhole jibo class to kali discussion korim mane next class aru beshi nai amar 1.6 last eta ase 1.6 of exponential dia ase tumaloke exponential dia command kori thoba amar number system chapter to shesh hoy jibo take care thank you